Okay, I'm back. If you'll notice on the bolt that goes through the top of the bumper, it is quite large. So the idea was, my friend suggested using the ratchet, actually the piece that it would attach to a socket, and put it in there. And if you'll notice, it fits quite well, and I can tighten it down. So I'm going to tighten this down and then move on to the other part, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, here is the bolt that you got to get into there. And what you do, if I can find it, right here, is you put the little square bracket that you can't see, that's actually inside the tube right here, and then you screw that on the end of the bolt, and you pull it from there through the tube to there, and you don't want to pull too hard because you don't want to lose that bolt inside this tube. So you manage to get the bolt through the hole in the tube and through the back of the hitch, and that's the first step. Actually, it's the second step. The first one was getting that big bolt through the bumper and tightening it down. So then you just repeat this part. You go through the tube with the wire, pull it through, and you see that hole right there, and you pull the bolt through. So I'm going to get set up so we can do that. I'm going to put you on pause, and we'll go from there. Okay, as you can tell, I got the bolt screwed onto that end of the spring, and then in the tube there is that square bracket that comes with the hitch. Make sure you get that on first, and then you pull the wire with the bolt through the tube. Just remember, be careful, you don't want to get the bolt lost inside the tube. So I'm going to put you on pause again, and we're going to get this done. Hang on.